So over here, you can see this strikingly page right here. And if I were to actually go ahead and click on preview site right here, just like this, then what happens is that the site will load up. And then if I were to go ahead and scroll down, you can see that everything just stays in place. Nothing loads up. Everything seems static. But if you want a sort of an animation when you scroll down, everything loads up, then what you can do is you can actually go around over here onto style, and then you can go to the animation section. And then under page scroll, you can go ahead and choose slide in. Let's say, for example, right here. Once you do that and then go around over here onto preview site, then this is what you have. You can go ahead and scroll down and it does not load up immediately. You can see that as I scroll down, there's a bit of an animation of sliding in that's going on, which makes the web page look interesting. Apart from that, you can see that there's image link hover animation as well. So if I were to go ahead and scroll right here, there is actually a link in this image. That if you want the image to, let's say, for example, act based on the hover, you can go to the image link hover and choose zoom in. Let's say, for example, let's just go ahead and refresh and see how that actually looks. And if I were to go around over here, you can see that the image zooms in a bit when I hover over. If I were to go ahead right here and select light overlay, let's say, for example, and refresh, let's see how that looks now. So if I were to go ahead and do that, now you can see that there's a light overlay in the image. Similarly, I can even go ahead and select dark overlay right here and refresh this out right here just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, I can go ahead and then hover over, and then you see a dark overlay over there just like that as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the animation style inside of Strikingly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.